How to migrate Office 365 mailbox to Gmail. Manually migrating your emails from Office 365 to Gmail is really a great hassle. To make it easier, we are introducing Regain Office 365 to Gmail migration tool. This software is 100% safe, easy to use, supports cloud migration to multiple email clients, offers mailbox export feature, and many more functionalities. You can easily download this software from our official website. Just go to Google and search for Regain Office 365 to Gmail migration tool. On Google search, open this website. This is our official website. From here you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see the installation procedure is so simple. Now let's run the software and see how the Office 365 to Gmail migration works. This is the dashboard of this software. Here first you will need to connect your Office 365 account. For that, click on the Account Login option. You can see there are two login methods available: Basic Authentication and Multi-Factor Authentication. In Basic Authentication, simply select Server Type, enter username, password, and click on the Login button to log in your Office 365 account. In Multi-Factor Authentication, simply click on the Login Now button. Here enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Now enter the correct password of your Office 365 account and click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-step verification, then enter the verification code here and click on the Verify button. As a result, your Office 365 account will be successfully connected and all folders of your Office 365 mailbox will be available here. Simply click on any folder and you will get a preview of all the available emails at the top right panel. Then simply click on any email, and you can preview at the bottom right panel. Now click on the Cloud Migration option. By selecting the Office 365 or Exchange Server option, you can migrate to another Office 365 account or Exchange Server. If you select any of the above four options, a new window will appear. Here you can sign in your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook or MSN or Hotmail, hosting or webmail, IMAP or other accounts, and AOL Mail account. As our target is Office 365 to Gmail migration, let's select Gmail or G Suite. Then enter your Gmail email address. Enter the correct password. Make sure to use app passwords in case you have turned on the two-step verification in your Google account. After you enter all the necessary credentials, click on the Login button. In this window, make sure the IMAP option is selected and then click on the Migrate Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started. Depending on your mailbox size and internet speed, it may take several minutes to complete the migration. When the migration is completed, this wizard will pop up. So this is how you can migrate your Office 365 mailbox to Gmail or any other email clients. Besides migration, this software allows you to export your Office 365 mailbox into multiple formats. Simply click on the Mailbox Backup option. Here you have the option to export your Office 365 mailbox into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, MBOX, ICS, VCF, and PDF format. For this tutorial, let's select the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Select a destination where you want to save the output PST file and click on the OK button. If you want the output PST file split into two separate files, then select the Split PST option and select the PST file size up to you want to split. Finally, click on the Download Now button. As a result, the export process will be started, and within a few seconds, the output PST file will be saved on your local directory. Here you can see the PST file has been successfully saved on my device. That's all the features of our Regain Office 365 to Gmail migration tool.